I first saw this building when the architect Barry Polzin drove me from Iron River to take a look at the things that were happening in Marquette. And we stopped out in front of this building and someone drove by, rolled down their window and said, "Good luck, Barry." And he said, "Somebody's got to save this." Truly, it was a few years from being completely unsalvageable. This project in particular required specific creativity. The Grandview Marquette was very complicated. It married the affordable housing tax credit with the historic tax credit in a way that not a lot of people have done before. What that requires is everyone on the project team to get creative with us, and that's where MSHDA stepped up in this project. They spent a lot of time working in dialogue with us, and in the end used some of their own financing tools like the Section 811 vouchers, helped get this project over the finish line. Old National at its core is a community bank. We believe in the mission of affordable housing. We believe in saving our cities and towns. Bring back housing units and watch the multiplier on that. So watch the economic impact of an investment downtown and then watch it change the lives of the people that are fortunate enough to live there. So by investing in the Grandview Marquette, we saved a building, but we also provided affordable housing for people that really, really need it here in Marquette.